Outage of.
The following message is transmitted and requested the Emergency Alley Act system. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for these following cities and counties: Guganamet City, South Park, Steve City, Guganamet County, Ellenwood County, and Vista County. For the citizens of these following counties and cities, these are the following actions you must take. Make sure you have plenty of food and water. Stay away from all windows. If you have a basement, hide in the basement. And if you don't have a basement, get in a bathtub. Cover yourself with a blanket. I repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.